just this side and the top of the hood. Yeah, I don't see any on ours. Look at all.
You didn't get any bunts?
All over the side. All over the hood.
I don't see any on ours.
And look at the hood. Full of them.
Yeah, you got,
Ours is the same way. You have to have some.
It's gotta be on there.
Ours aren't really bad.
A good American-made car.
That's a heck of a storm. I never seen one like that in my life. Oh my God! Look at the roof of the.
See, here's a branch I got blown.
Oh wow! That hit the house.
Yeah.
Did it?
Yeah, this branch over here hit the house.
Hey, Rakes, come here.
That tree got topped.
Oh wow!
Got a tree, the top of it fell off.
My God!
Hey, Ricky. What's when it missed the garage?
They must have blown it when it hit
You got pictures of the ice on the ground?
I got it. Ice everywhere, kid.
And here we are in our sand.
Yeah. What day's today?
26.
July 26th at the cabin.
May 26.
May 26th at the cabin. A little bit of ice storm, folks. Nothing to get worried about. Unless you own a vehicle.
Hey, I like to make my people feel welcome when they come.
Yeah, they're welcome, all right.
Ice.
I'm going to run right back to this place.
Hey Rob, we had a hailstorm at home several years ago. The insurance company just checked for the shingles. You might want to check.
Did you get this? I took a picture of that.
Yeah, to see if they're damaged.
Water damage.
Oh my God. Hold one up in your hand, just for fun, some of those pieces. Let me get them on here. Look at the size of that. That's an inch, right?
Yeah.
My God, look at that. Unbelievable. All right, time for another one. It's coming back, folks. I don't believe it. Ah. Do you believe that?